I have this new Play-Doh set. It has blue, pink, Play-Doh. We have a cute little smiley face which is so adorable with those little cute hearts. A rainbow and some little stars. Now let's open it. Here we go. And here comes the dough. Oh my gosh, one fell. Let me get it. Here's the pink dough. The pink dough. The blue dough. I think this smiley face one is adorable. Look at its little face. Oh, this is the rainbow one. And this is the star one. The cute one. Cute. Now let's go it in a road, like on the picture. And here we go. We have them in a row. Let's open them. Here comes the star dough. Here is the star Play-Doh. So pretty. Look at this big star. I love it. Now next up, the smiley one. Here is the smiley one. And the last one, the rainbow one. The rainbow one. And the rainbow has pink, yellow, and pink. And the purple dough. My favorite one is this smiley one. Look at those adorable little hearts. Look at this adorable little mouth. It's so cute. And now, let's squeeze. I'm gonna make it a pancake. Pancake day, pancake. Squash, 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 squash. Ooh. It's mixing white, pink, yellow. It's so mixy up. Look at this pretty color. Now the star one. Mix, 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 mix. I'm gonna mix it. Look at this greenish yellow that we are going to make with this greenish stars and that. And last, the rainbow. Now let's mix the rainbow. Look at all these colors. Look at all these colors they're getting. Look at this color. It's splashy. But we are going to mix it up and squish it like a squisherman. When you mix up this one, you get light green. When you mix up this adorable little one, you get this pretty orange color. I love it. When you mix up this rainbow one, you get this pinkishy one. And that's all. Watch me in the next video. Bye!